Go.
All right, students, this video is going to talk a little bit more in depth about outlining versus speaker notes. But first, before we get into that, I want to tell you why we do an outline and why we do speaker notes. It's always good to know the why behind something. The type of speaking that we're doing in this class is called extemporaneous speaking. That's just a fancy word for prepared speaking while sounding conversational. And so we want to sound spontaneous. We want to sound as if we're just coming up with this off the top of our head and it's very natural and conversational. But in actuality, we've prepared. We've got some things on paper. We know what we're talking about. We know the direction of our speech. And so that's the goal of this type of speaking. In order to accomplish this type of speaking, we have to do an outline. You will never write your speech out like an essay. That's not what we're requiring. But instead, we're going to outline our speeches, and I have posted a sample outline on Canvas for you in the speech module. But basically, we're going to develop a speech like we did in the previous video, and you're going to write out a full sentence outline. A full sentence outline means it's in the traditional Roman numeral outline format, and everything is written out full sentence. A lot of times, students try to take shortcuts at this step, and they'll just either bullet point the information on their full sentence outline, or they'll give themselves directions, like, talk about such and such here. No, don't do that. That's not the point of an outline. The point of an outline is to get your speech on paper in an outline format, so we have a visual framework of the speech, and we're able to see what main points are well developed and what main points are underdeveloped, and that way we can go back in and beef up the points we need to, or maybe edit down the points that are overdeveloped. So a full sentence outline is a crucial step in preparing for your speeches. However, we're not going to use our full sentence outline while we're giving our speech. We're going to read through it out loud during a practice session, and we're going to get familiar with it, but then we're going to transfer that full sentence outline into speaker notes. Speaker notes are an abbreviated version of a full sentence outline, and that's what we're going to use to give the speech off of. We don't want full sentences in front of us. Can you guess why? Well, if you have full sentences in front of you and you don't want to lose your place in the sentences, you're going to end up reading from your paper. And that is not good when we're giving a speech. We want to be able to refer to our notes, but then look back up at the audience and speak to the audience. And so make sure that you don't have full sentences on your speaker notes. Instead, what goes on your speaker notes are bullet pointed bits of information and maybe even instructions to yourself, but not necessarily a whole lot. And so it's just something that's developed for your own purposes, to get you through the speech, to remind you of what was on that full sentence outline. So, to recap, we want to make sure that we understand a full sentence outline is valuable because it lets us blueprint the speech, it lets us work out the details of the speech, it gives us an opportunity to read through the entire speech during practice sessions to make sure the speech flows and we are making sense and things are within the time limit. And then a set of speaker notes are the things that we're going to use when we actually deliver the speech. We're going to practice with those speaker notes. We're going to get super familiar with them so we don't have to be constantly glancing up and down. But if we need to, we can glance down and then glance back up. Look back up at our audience to make eye contact. The best advice for handling speaker notes is to practice with them. Practice until you get more fluid with your speech. Practice, practice, practice. And make sure that you're using them effectively. Alright, that's a little bit about outlining and speaker notes. You have to turn in a full sentence outline, but you have to use speaker notes when speaking. So make sure you know the difference and how to use each effectively. Thanks so much.